time's come to send this job out to the factory. Before we go any further, I just want to say this. Everything we're about to cover, from reports to NC code, is a process you're going to want to do in one hit. If you send out the code, make a change and then print the reports, what you're giving the factory in your reports and the machine aren't going to be the same. So it's really crucial that you do the steps we're about to do in the same order and all at once before you send the job out to the machine. Now that that's been said, we'll take a look at your labels. We'll click the Reports button on the sidebar, which will take us to our Reports view. It'll look much like the reports you've seen in Cabinet Vision. You'll see 4 standard reports here. The first 3 will be labels. There'll be a 1 per page, 8 per page, and 16 per page option. The label information is much the same on all 3 labels, with just a few less fields on the 16 per page due to its size. At the top of the label, you'll see the company name that your key has been registered to. Below this, you'll begin to see a lot of straightforward information such as the job name, room, part names, edging materials, and your comments. On top of this, you'll see an image with part dimensions, with edge markers so the factory is aware of how to edge the part. Above this is a large number that represents the cabinet number this part belongs to. This is very helpful when manufacturing as it helps easily identify cabinet parts to keep them together through the manufacturing process ready to build. Above this is the sheet number and the part number on the sheet. This information will be very useful when we look at the nest sheets next and will help your factory staff know which label goes on which part of the sheet. To print your labels, simply select which label you would like to use. Click the printer icon in the quick access toolbar at the top of the screen, and then make sure you select the correct printer and the correct size sheet of paper. It's worth mentioning that most printers will have very different printer settings, so you may need to check with yours and check to work with your IT to make sure it's not doing anything weird like reversing the order of your stickers and they print out correctly on the correct size paper. If you get a bit stuck with printing your labels correctly, reach out to us and we can help point you in the right direction. Labels are a pretty simple process that will save hours throughout your factory. Having sizes, edging information, part information, job information all in one place will help streamline the flow through the factory, saving everyone time, money and grief.